G'day legends, Dom here from Roaming the Realm. So today we're going to do a video on the walkthrough of our Toyota Hilux. So come with us and let's have a look. So under the engine bay we've got a 2.8 litre diesel, turbo diesel. The Hilux runs 130 kilowatts of power, I believe, and 450 newton meters of torque. So I haven't done anything, I haven't tuned it or anything yet. Possibly something I'm going to look at down the track. Let us know in the comments below if you reckon we should. So we've put in a 2-inch lift kit from Ironman. Tyre wise, we're running the BFG Goodrich KO2 all-terrains. Perfect tyre, we've got no issues with it, had no sidewall damage, and we've gone over some pretty gnarly sort of stuff, so pretty happy with that. They're 31s. Going towards the back suspension, we've also got, for our towing capacities, the Airbag Man airbags, so I'll show you how they work. This is actually a rear awning, it's not actually a side awning. So this was actually a freebie that we got for getting some other stuff from Kings. So you know what, I thought it's 1.4 by 2 meters, and I thought, you know what, it looks nice and neat, it doesn't extrude out, so that's the reason why I decided to put it up. And we've got a huge awning on our trailer, so we didn't need a big one on the car. So this is perfect for those little stops. If you watch our Kangaroo Island video, you'll see it in action. One of the latest additions that we've put onto this Hilux is the clear view mirrors. Absolute game changer, perfect for towing. Although we're only towing a camper trailer, we probably only need to extend out one click, but if we had a bigger van, pull them out the whole way. So they're a little bit tight, just because they're new, but here we go. So Maxtrax are awesome in tight situations, get you out of a little bit of trouble, especially out in the sand or in the mud. They also actually look pretty cool, and you know what, I reckon having them up here looks pretty sexy. The Rugged X comes standard with recovery points, both rear and at the front, and they're all rated. Alright, so at the rear we've got a few little things happening. We've got a DO35 for the trailer plug 7-pin, airbags, okay, and Anderson plug to charge our trailer as we drive. And this is the Ute Master load lid. So we decided to go with the Ute Master load lid. Actually had my eye on it for quite a while, but wasn't too sure about it. And the selling factor was Ronnie Dahl actually put it in one of his videos, and had a good look at it there, and bang, we went off and got it. So basically we have got top of the range one, able to keep the sports bar, which is awesome because it adds a lot of effect to the car. Yeah, tell us in the comments what you think. Do you reckon it's awesome or not? I reckon it is. 200 kilo load capacity I can put on this, so it's super functional, secures down, locks, central locking, all my gears secure inside the tub. So gas struts. Makes it super easy to pop up and down for all the shorties such as ourselves. You've got a handle. I installed these lights in myself, so they're sensor lights. They'll come on at night when we need them. And also another cool feature is these little attachments, which will give me 200 mil. If I wanted to have a load that was a little bit bigger, I pop these in and it'll lock into place with that and give me 200 mils extra. So even if you had a dog or something like that, you could pop your dog in the tub. Pretty cool. Alright, so accessory wise, battery wise, I'm running the iTech World battery box with their DC-DC charger, 40 amps. The battery is 120 lithium, so plenty. It's got its fuse in there. I can operate Anderson plugs via it. I can do USB ports and I can do 12 volt. It's also pretty cool because I can actually take it out of the vehicle when I need, just by strapping, and we can just pull it out at camp. And basically I'm running a Small Kings 15 litre fridge in here because that's all I need. We've got our big fridge in the trailer, so this is just for little day trips and things like that. Works perfect, very versatile, definitely recommend it. Let's check out the cab. Alright, so as soon as you get in here you can see it's really busy sort of cluster. I've got a lot of stuff sort of going on here. Alright, so this attachment here we use for our Hema maps. We love Hema maps, so basically that's why we've kept that there, even though we do have the navigator here. My phone would usually magnet onto there, and I've got the power running for that. Running the GME XRS Connect radio. Awesome radio, probably one of the best on the market. Speaker is actually built in, easy to use all the modes and going through the buttons. Mounting is a little bit difficult in the dual cab sort of utes, so basically it was very hard to sort of stick it to some of these surfaces, so I've got it down here with some double-sided tape. It sits nicely, beautiful, nice magnetic. The other thing is it was hard to sort of mount on the bull bar of this a whip, so I actually went for the on glass aerial, which we've got actually mounted just up here. So we've got the Redarc Tow Pro Elite, so that's our brake controller for our trailer. Once again, this is the best on the market, so Redarc gear, it's always good. Alright, so I got myself into the back. The back of dual cab utes are a tight squeeze at the best of times, and this one's no exception. So for young kids, we don't have a problem, but if you were trying to fit an adult in here as well, it's pretty cramped. Like, I'm not the biggest bloke in the world, and yeah, not much space. Thanks for watching our video, guys. I hope you got something out of it. Please like, subscribe and comment. Let us know what you think we should do with this tour of ours, and we'll see you on the next one. Roaming the realm.